Blurry animated food flies into a frying pan, and the image sharpens on a phone screen.
To go back into a kitchen is like home away from home.
The view pulls back over paper cutouts detailing skyscrapers and landmarks. Silhouetted people play sports, make art, and help each other. The skyline flips over to reveal a title, Being Human Is, an Android docuseries. Text on a plate reads 2010.
Every dish has to come out perfect. It's constant pressure. We were clocking about 90 hours a week, coming in at 6 o'clock in the morning and walking out the door just before midnight.
Episode 5, Chez Elyse.
Saturday, I woke up and there was something floating in my eye. I went on the Monday to the eye hospital. By that Friday, I never went back to work, so it was quickly that my sight went. I had a car. I couldn't drive it anymore. I had my own flat. I couldn't pay for the rent, so I had to move back in with my parents. Sleep all night, sleep all day.
Her bed floats into the sky. Text, 1994.
The first cooking we ever did maybe with my gran. We'd be on the countertops there, whisking whatever we could or stirring something, putting them into the baking trays. She used to make cheese scones, Victoria sponges, banana bread, the best fudge ever. I've still got all her recipes, actually.
Smoke from a chimney forms 2018.
So the Bowl Inn is my local pub. We got to know the bar lady, and she's like, "Oh, we're looking for chefs." I kind of jumped in the deep end. I haven't completely lost all my sight. It's like looking through a bottle of oil. And every time he gave me a ticket, I would take a picture on my phone, then triple tap, bang, 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 enlarge it so I could see what was on the ticket. Magnification on Android helps me to be back in the kitchen. My smelling is much better than it was before. I could be on one side of the kitchen and he's like, "Your caramel's burning." He's like, "Oh, what?" My hearing is more enhanced. I can hear someone put a pan on. "Your water's boiling." Just kind of happened over time. Now, when I'm at work, I am like a quadruple master of multitasking. I can put a steak on the grill, drop a piece of fish in the fryer, and then go and put a pound of mash on and have something else in the oven. By the time the thing in the oven's ready, the fish should be turned, the steak can be flipped over as well. Then you can go and plate. So it's all timing everything just one after the other after the other.
She poses as food swirls around her.
You know, who needs sight?
Elyse Beziudenhous prepares thousands of meals each week and is in the process of planning a round-the-world trip, all with the help of Magnification on her Android phone. Watch next episode.
I thought of myself as the only deaf person in the world. It's a much more physical and aggressive game because you're relying on your eyes more than sound.